How's it going? Today I want to talk about this metal bed frame. So this is a platform bed frame with some black oak here as the headboard and the footer. What's great about these is you don't have to use a box frame. You can put your mattress directly on this platform bed frame. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the headboard face down, and you're going to get legs C1 and C2. Those are going to be these legs right here. They're labeled very clearly. You have 4 bolts for each side. I forgot to add, make sure to put the rail pieces on. They take longer bolts, and make sure that the channels on the inside have an open end on the top to receive the braces later. After those are connected, you're going to put this brace piece. This is piece 13, and it connects with the L4 bolts. They're a little bit longer than the bolts that you had just used. After you complete that step, the footer has the same process. Once those 2 pieces are built, you're going to attach them in the middle. You're going to use the D pieces to actually hold them up, but they slot into one another. After you have your main rectangle of a frame built together, you're going to do the middle brace piece. Now the middle piece, it's 2 H2 pieces. You're going to fold out the legs. Those go on either ends. And then in the middle, you have piece G that connects with the 2 L2 bolts to make that a solid structure. After you have that long run assembled and connected, you're going to get this piece here. It's labeled with a yellow sticky that says up. That's going to be a cross member brace piece. You're going to attach it to the sides. That's where you actually have to use the nut and the bolt to connect it on both sides. Once those 2 pieces are connected, you're going to get the longest screw, and that's going to go directly in the center of the bed frame. The last step from there is you're going to get these individual pieces. These are the slats. You could start from either end, and you're just going to slot them in place. Once they're all in place, you're ready to go. Very simple to assemble. It's a nice metal structure. It's very sturdy, and if you were to disassemble it, it's a piece of cake, and you can just reassemble it at your new spot.